them. Woo! They hear this boat coming. They know that they're the tourist boat. They like, look at that. All right. Jumping out of the water for you guys. Giving you a show. By the way, these are not tame dolphins. These are wild dolphins. And these are what we call near coastal bottlenose dolphins. They live their entire life in about a 15-mile range in the backwater. They're going to be much smaller than you would expect, and they're much darker than you. It's amazing. Dolphins have brains about the same size as ours. Dolphins can count, they can read, they can identify colors. I'll tell you a story. When I worked in the Everglades National Park,